discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Are these 10s or 12s?
12s.
Whoa.
12-inch painter.
Wow. Is it right if I open this since there's nobody around and I didn't realize there wasn't anybody waiting? Okay, nice. Wow. So you have 2 subs per amp?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
These are the 5s?
ZV6s.
Oh, the 6s. Okay. I'm still learning. I'm sorry. Wow. What is this tuned to?
40 hertz.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Man. Do you know the ratio on this?
It's 2 to 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do any burp test on it yet?
I've done some, yeah. It's been as high as a 63.
Whoa. For a blow through, that's amazing.
Yeah.
For this much cabin space. Wow.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah. Have you had any issues with your windshield at all?
No.
Because you haven't really done any major door or like
Everything's underneath.
Okay. But there isn't any roof or like metal or wood, it
There's
seems.
some aluminum honeycomb sheeting that
Okay.
I was turned on to from a guy who worked for NASCAR.
Yes, sir.
So we lined the entire cab with that.
Wow.
And then the back of the cab has 2 3/8-inch steel plates
Okay.
sandwiching the wall where it's cut through.
Yes, sir. Wow. Not many blow-throughs are like this. What made you do that kind of orientation for? Is it instead of like is that a 4th or a 6th? I think it's a 4th. Okay, yeah. I was gonna ask what made you do 4th over 6th.
Room. Yeah, room. Thinking about retiring it though. Moving to a van.
That's what he was telling me. You're going to like 12 or something. I don't.
12-18.
Wow, that's wild. Who built this? This
Being Extraordinary Audio.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is like. I mean, like, there's no imperfections. It's like perfect. Did a good job, and I'm amazed at that plexi. Is that all one piece back there?
Yeah, one piece, one inch.
Man, how did you get that in there like that?
With a overhead crane.
Oh man, that is amazing. Wow, thank you for showing me. I'm gonna go look at the back and all. I'm gonna go ask him some questions.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, you have a little thing for it.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wait, really? I'll come look. Oh, you actually have it under the vehicle. Oh, it's right here. I was gonna look for it. I thought it was under the amps. Wow. Whoa. That's kind of smart to do, though.
Yeah.
You have your space. Yeah, definitely.
That box will drop down.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Really surprised it came back to life.
Yes, sir. You can go ahead and play. I'd love to start out here. Awesome. Wow. This is called the Murderado.
Yeah,
Okay.
Murderado.
Yeah. Put my shades on. Live it up like these on my last days.
man, that's. I think this thing broke. It's
Oh
probably
yeah,
been broke for a while.
yeah. I
Jeez.
fixed it like 3
This
times.
thing is. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
What was your name?
Rick.
Rick. Awesome. Thank you, Rick.
Yeah.
Good luck with the build if you do it, and I appreciate the demo, Murata.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you, Rick. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like to see the shirt.
Thank
Yeah.
you, man.
Oh,